guys, welcome back. Today we have a really cool large surprise bag of Nella and the Princess Knight. This was $3 at Dollarama, which is a dollar store here in Canada. And it has all kinds of really cool things inside of them. And the great thing with these is that each bag has something different in it. Some of them have stencils and velvet posters, some have puzzles, some have markers. You never know what you're going to get, but these are fantastic. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rip that open and get right in there to see what's in this surprise bag. And let's dump it out. And ooh, we got the coloring book. And it is the full size, so it's not the mini. It is thin, but it's a beautiful, beautiful coloring book. It's got such great pictures. There she is on the unicorn. Oh, and the dragon. Oh, these are just such big, big pictures to color, and the paper is such a great quality. If you color with markers, as long as you're gentle, don't press too hard, it won't go through to the next page, which I absolutely love. These are such great, big, full detail pictures. I love it. We also got this really cool sticker page, and there are so many stickers on here. Sometimes you only get 1 or 2 stickers, so that's a really good amount. And then we got this really cool puzzle. It's 2-sided, so there's a picture on each side, and you color it, and then it becomes your own personal puzzle. So that's pretty good for $3. A coloring book, stickers, a 2-sided puzzle, and some crayons. So now let's go ahead and get started with taking a better look at the puzzle. Okay, here we go. So the first thing we're going to do, as we know from other videos, these crayons are not good. So we are going to use our Crayola crayons. I love Crayola crayons. They are the best ones for coloring with. And ours, as you can tell, we color a lot, so they're pretty beat up. Let's go ahead and get this puzzle open, and I'm going to try not to break it as I take it out of the package. And I'm going to do the dragon side just because I think it's easier to color with the crayons. So let me try to get that out, and it's already breaking. Okay, so first I'm going to end up having to put the puzzle back together. That way I can color it. And we'll start with the corner and try to get it all put together. And they don't stick very well because it is just thin cardboard. Okay, hold on. Why isn't it fitting? Why isn't it fitting? It doesn't go that way. Let me try the bottom. Oh my goodness, I had it upside down facing the wrong picture. Okay. Now we are ready to color. So I'm going to go ahead and color the dragon just a nice purple color. And the good thing these are Crayola because they are not coloring well on this cardboard. I don't know, it keeps hitting the bumps of the puzzle and oh, it's just not a smooth color. It's actually quite hard to color this. I didn't think it would be. Now we have all these little wax bits from the crayons. Every time they hit the edge of the puzzle, they would give off this horrible little wax stuff. So you're going to want to put some paper underneath when you're doing this. And honestly, I think the next time I do a puzzle like this, or when I color the other side, I'm going to use paint or pencil crayons. But I'm pretty happy with this surprise bag. That is a lot of good stuff. You can give them out at birthday parties or Valentine's Day, Christmas, whatever you'd like to someone special. You do get quite a lot of good things in there. All right, guys, that is it for today. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.